The customer brought their vehicle in, reporting that the check engine light was on. To diagnose the problem, I connected a scan tool which showed two fault codes: P0335, crankshaft position sensor A circuit, taut, and P0336, crankshaft position sensor A circuit range performance. These codes indicate a potential issue with the crankshaft position sensor, which is responsible for monitoring the position and rotational speed of the crankshaft. This information is critical for proper engine timing and fuel injection. To gather more information, I performed a road test while monitoring live data from the scan tool. During the test, the crankshaft position sensor's signal intermittently dropped out, suggesting an issue with the sensor's ability to consistently provide data. A faulty sensor could lead to engine misfires, poor performance, or even stalling. Next, I visually inspected the crankshaft position sensor's wiring harness and connector for any damage, corrosion, or loose connections, as these can disrupt the sensor's signal. I found no visible issues. With the ignition on and the engine off, I used a multimeter to check the sensor connector for voltage and ground. Both were present, confirming that the sensor was receiving the correct power supply and ground. This ruled out issues in the wiring or the power circuit. To pinpoint the problem, I back-probed the crankshaft position sensor and connected a lab scope to observe its signal in real time during another road test. The lab scope showed an erratic signal from the sensor, confirming that the sensor itself was malfunctioning. This test is essential because it provides a clear, detailed picture of how the sensor operates under real driving conditions, rather than relying on scan tool data alone. I replaced the crankshaft position sensor with a new one, cleared the fault codes, and conducted another road test. During this test, the vehicle performed normally, the check engine light stayed off, and no new fault codes appeared. This confirmed that the crankshaft position sensor was the root cause of the issue, and that the repair was successful. By diagnosing the issue step by step, I ensured that the repair was accurate and avoided replacing unnecessary parts. This process not only restored the vehicle's performance, but also prevented potential issues like misfires, poor fuel economy, or stalling caused by a faulty crankshaft position sensor.